What's up, y'all? It's your boy, and I'm back, and I'm better than ever.
You know how we do it. West side. Coming from the west.
Today, your boy doing the anime tier list. This is my first time doing one. Now, the thing about the tier list, everybody got their own opinions. Everybody got their own opinions. So in the comment section, you want to give me hell, hey, I'll take it. But if your show ain't on top of my list, don't get mad at me. But let's get straight to it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment below this video, and show you both some love in the comment section. Let's get to it. Best anime character tier list maker. Over 130 characters from Dragon Ball, Naruto, One Piece, Hunter x Hunter, JoJo Bizarro, Adventure, Attack on Titan, One Punch Man, Full Metal Alchemist, Boku no Hero Academia, and Death Note. Now, as y'all see, my rankings, I got GOAT, greatest of all time, real nigga god, demigod, great, actually good, average, below average, trash, and never seen. Now, let's do this first. Never seen. Most wasted death in anime history. Oda, I'm mad at you about that, but Ace is a real nigga god. My nigga from Boku no Hero, I call him Kakashi of Boku no Hero. He great. Akainu. Now, the problem with Akainu, I hate him because what he did. But if we talking about character wise, I would have to do great, cause Oda really writing that nigga right. One for all, no, all for one. I'm sorry. I put him great. My nigga Alphonse is a GOAT. He's a GOAT. But the fact that you want to still deal with your brother after he took your body away, hey, you will go for that. Couldn't be me.
I am the one your son don't need.
What's my nigga name? I forgot his name. Full Metal Alchemist. He Admiral some shit. I forgot his name. He actually good. Average. I give him average. My nigga All Might. Real nigga god. My nigga Armin. Real nigga god. The frog bitch from My Hero. Average. Bakugo. He get on my nerves. That's an aggravating. Both the Deku and him really get on my nerves. Like, I can honestly say they both get on my. Deku always crying.
Bitches in my whole phone. I should call one and go home.
Bakugo always yelling. And he great. Cause he did with this the nigga from One Punch Man. That's fuck, I forgot that nigga name. It ain't Giru, is it? Yeah. Let me stop. I don't know this. I forgot who that nigga. My nigga Bardock. Toriyama. Me and you gotta talk. If you gonna bring Bardock back, please bring him back. There ain't no debating on it. You brought Broly back. You done brought Frieza back. Hell, you might as well bring Cell back. You brought Emperor Pilaf back. You brought all these motherfuckers back, but Bardock is honestly one of the realest niggas in Dragon Ball Z. And on top of that too, his son is arguably the most impactful anime character of all time. So he is a GOAT for that. Beerus is a real nigga god. I give him that. He's a real nigga god. Boa, she a demigod. Boruto. Ooh, Boruto. Boruto has the potential to be a real nigga guy because he basically broken. From what my friend tell me, who he read Boruto. I don't do Boruto. I just don't. Maybe one day I might go and watch it. But I would actually put him as great. King Bradley. King Bradley is arguably, well, he is one of my favorite swordsmen in anime history. Cause that nigga had them. He had them two swords. Boy, I give him. He great. He great. My nigga Brooks, actually good. Bulma, people ain't gonna agree with me with this, but Bulma is a real nigga guy. The reason why I say she's a real nigga guy, cause if we talking about who got the most money in Dragon Ball, if we talking about who the on Earth, the smartest, probably the smartest, Bulma. Who done helped Goku throughout by almost everything, Bulma. Who got Gohan and Krillin dynamic? Bulma. Hell, who helps Vegeta? Who put that thing on Vegeta? Bulma. Who created a real nigga? Bulma. That real nigga she created was Trunks, and there's nothing else you can really say about Bulma because Bulma is an OG in Dragon Ball. If you watch the old Dragon Ball, the first character you see, the first two characters you see is Bulma and doggone Goku. Got to. Dio. Is that Dio? No, that's not Dio. Who the hell is that? I don't know who that is. Pain is a real nigga. He's sick, even though he was controlled by Nagato. He's sick because you destroyed the whole Leaf Village, and that shit kind of pissed me off. But at the same time, he's a real nigga. I don't know who this is. Oh, Dio. Dio is actually a demigod. Because the fact you can come back after you die. Every time. You are a demigod. Now Gohan. I would put Gohan up here. But he would have to move to right here. And you know why. Because of righty. Gohan potentially had the best... he's potentially the best Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, I can say that. Cause we see Goku grow up. Then we see Gohan grow up. Goku didn't really become he always been a real nigga. But Teen Gohan was sick. In a good way. When I tell y'all, I'm little, I'm watching it. That nigga Gohan goes Super Saiyan 2. I'm like, oh shit. And he was the first Super Saiyan 2. You know, people say, oh, Vegeta first Super Saiyan 2 and Trunks. No. No, they not. Gohan was the first Super Saiyan 2. So, I put a real nigga guy. The reason why I can't put him a GOAT because the writing. Toriyama wrote that nigga bad. And you know how he now Goku, I mean, there's no question a GOAT. That's a GOAT. Who he's a GOAT. There's no question. Aaron. Is it Aaron? No, it's not Aaron. Edward. I'm sorry. Real nigga God. Well, no, I gotta put him GOAT because the shit they went through. Alphonse and Edward went through. They gotta be ghosts in anime. Is that Lust or? It's not Lust, is it? It's Envy. Envy is average villain. Aaron is a real nigga. Well, damn, I'll put a real nigga guy. Captain, what's that? That's the captain who died. Great. He died. He was down for the cause. My nigga from the Phantom Troop. She the bitch with the vacuum. Actually good. This a real nigga right here. He the space nigga. I forgot that nigga name. Faye. I think it's Faye. He a demigod. I don't know who that nigga is. Frankie is a demigod. The reason why I say Frank is a demigod, when that ship got to be fixed, who else you talking to? The ship got it. Wherever the crew go, the ship go. And Frankie fixed everything on that ship. Frieza. Oof, I can't stand Frieza. Frieza is actually great, but Toriyama shouldn't bring him back as much. Gaara is demigod. Demigod because of writing. Because honestly, I wish he would have kept the One Tails. Dog, I wish Kishimoto didn't do that. God, I wish, because Gaara, even though he been low key the weakest Jinchuriki, but he would have still been one of the strongest strongest ninjas around. What's my this dude for One Punch Man? He always gets his behind whoop. I put him actually good, not below average. Gon's dad, he a real nigga. He a deadbeat dad, but he a real nigga. Roger is a real nigga god, because it's Roger. I mean, there's nobody else to say. Majin Buu actually average. Is that that's the crazy lady who experiment on the time? She actually good. Hisoka, oof. Character wise, great. Well, no, cause he like kids. If you understand what I'm saying. Actually good, because people surprisingly like him. Historia, actually good. The dad, Edwards and Alphonse dad, I give him great. No, I give him good. Oh Lord. I didn't watch JoJo Bizarro Stardust Crusade, but my brother did, and I found out what happened to the dog. He's gonna be a demigod for this, because he had a stand. And I think he the only animal with a stand that I know of in JoJo Bizarro. I forgot his name for My Hero, but he the leader of the group. I'm doing him actually good. Deku, I put Deku as a demigod. Gene from Attack on Titan. Gene, he did see Sasha Dado. I put him great though. I don't know who that is. I think that's John. Is that Jonathan? No, that might be Jonathan. I think that's Jonathan. Should be Jonathan. Jonathan Joestar was great. This is my favorite one. My boy Josuke. Josuke is my favorite JoJo. And he is a real nigga god. Jotaro, GOAT. Kakashi, real nigga. Ain't no but, I mean, if you watch Naruto, you just know that's a real nigga right there. I wish he didn't lose the Sharingan. Kind of pissed me off. I don't know who this is. Katakuri is actually a demigod, because he just like Luffy. He basically, him and Luffy got the same fighting style. So I gotta give it to him. Kid Buu, oh god. Kid Buu is a real nigga god. Like, you talking about somebody who really destroyed the universe, and like really, like when he transported to the other world. So y'all dealing with something else. I don't know how they gonna beat him. Killer Bee is a real nigga. No, he a demigod. The first rapper of Naruto. Gotta give it to him. Killua is a GOAT. Cause honestly, I'll be real with y'all, I like Killua more than Gon. And a lot of people do. But Killua had the best growth in Hunter x Hunter. This is, what's this nigga? I think his name, he the nigga who don't fight. Oh, he trash. That's nigga from, he the nigga from One Punch Man who don't fight. But everybody think he fight. This nigga from Haji no Ippo, average. When I watched JoJo Bizarre on Diamond Unbreakable, there's a lot of mid characters, but Koichi is actually honestly, I like him way more than a lot of them, and I really think he's a demigod. I think he a demigod. Yeah, he a demigod. Krillin is a real nigga guy. No, demigod. The reason why, because Krillin has been through people who watch just Dragon Ball Z and Super. They don't realize that Krillin really was at the beginning of Dragon Ball, and I gotta give it to him. Blackbeard. I can't stand Blackbeard, but I give it to him. Demigod. He killed my nigga Whitebeard. L is a real nigga god because he got the light, and light didn't like him. And on top of that too, he one of the smartest anime characters that I didn't, watch the shows. Law is a real nigga guy because he's the best nurse in the sea. I mean, what? Kurapika. Kurapika is actually a real nigga guy. I give it to him. Kurapika is a real nigga guy because it's Kurapika. You talking about Avenger, like a true Avenger? He an Avenger. Leorio, how you say it? Leorio, I give him a demigod. His character is amazing. My nigga Levi, real nigga god. Light is, he a demi. That's who the hell is that? Okay. This is it Envy? Which one is this? Pride. I think he Pride. Demigod. Miriam is actually a real nigga god because when he got born, just out his mama womb, he killed his mama. You know how sick you gotta be to kill your mama right when you born. So I gotta give it to him. I got to. My guy is actually a real nigga. Cause when Madara was whooping ass, when Madara was in that special form, he fucked him up. Mikasa, I would put her GOAT. I'm be real with y'all. If Mikasa had her own show, she would be a GOAT. But she's a real nigga because Eren holds down her potential. To be honest with you. My nigga, I forgot this nigga name. I'll give him average. My hero. I forgot his name from Hunter x Hunter, but he did that fight he had. I like his powers. I give him great. He's great. Bicycle Man, average. Naruto is a GOAT. Yeah, Naruto a GOAT. Yeah. The only problem is Naruto first season, the first series of Naruto is gonna always outweigh Shippuden. I don't care what anyone say, because the impact of Naruto is too big. Netero is a real nigga guy because his powers was just sick. I'll put Obito a demigod. But he did cause a lot of hate. Real nigga guy. My nigga from JoJo Bizarro, decent. Sabo is a real nigga god. Regardless, it's Sabo. Piccolo, real nigga god. Rayleigh, we talking about like old men in anime. You got Rayleigh, Jiraiya, Master Roshi, Netero, somebody else. Somebody else. What am I thinking? Whitebeard. He up there with them old men who just know how to whoop ass. And honestly, I think Rayleigh is Rayleigh. Well, Rayleigh ain't even. I don't think he been close to death. Reiner. I'll give him great because I don't like Reiner. My girl from Full Metal Alchemist, she great. The deal with Roy all the time, got help. Now, first series Rocket League demigod. Finish the series, finish the end of the Shippuden, great. Then Boruto, actually good. But since I want to be honorable, because Rock Lee is one of my favorite characters, I would put him as a demigod. Because that fight with him and Gar is one of the best fights in anime history. Zoro is a real nigga god. Because if we talking about the seconds of a crew, Zoro is probably the best one. Like, I'm just waiting for Zoro. I don't know Zoro. I think he got Conqueror's Haki. He might got Conqueror's. Roy Mustang is a real nigga because he snapped. And what he did to Lust. Ooh. A nigga from Death Note. I put him great. He great. Great character. One Punch Man is a GOAT. I say that. Well, nah, he not a GOAT. He a real nigga god. He a real nigga god. Real nigga. Sakura, great. Sanji, great. Sasuke is a real nigga god. You know he crazy. Shanks is a real nigga god. Whitebeard, I want to put him as GOAT because he's my favorite One Piece character. But he's a real nigga god, of course. This is a nigga from... He from One Punch Man. Average. Speedwagon. I'm sorry, demigod. Gotta be demigod. His commentary is sick. Her powers are real. I give her great. Toby, demigod. Todoroki is a real nigga god. So is it Sukiyama? Sukiyama, I think that's his name. Sukiyama is a real nigga. Hinata, great. think that's Joe. That's Jonathan. Yeah, that's Jonathan. Jonathan is a real nigga god. Well, he might be a goat. No. Biscuit is one of the best teachers in anime history. But I wish they showed more of her. I'll give her demigod. Corolla. I can't say his name right. He is actually a demigod because he can steal people's powers. Madara is a real nigga god. I wish I could put him as GOAT, but he ain't up there. But we talking about best villains, he up there for sure. I don't know who that is. Nami is actually great. Minato, real nigga god. Gon is a GOAT, cause he's gone. Shikamaru, no question, he's a real nigga. Probably the smartest strategist in Naruto. Chopper is actually a real nigga god. Hate to tell y'all. Jiraiya, real nigga god. What? Luffy is a GOAT. Cause the fact that One Piece still going, and the manga still going, and they still haven't found the One Piece, and the thing about it is One Piece just, I hate to say it, I mean, I ain't gonna say I hate to say it, but One Piece is the best, probably the best anime. No, it ain't the best. Is it the best? It's top 3 best animes ever. It's the best shonen ever. I can say that. I'll tell anybody. Iruka, average. Itachi, real nigga god. What? I forgot his name from One Piece. I forgot his name. Great. I get actually good. Robin is demigod. I forgot her name from My Hero. I give her great. Usopp is he a demigod. I give him that. Vegeta is a real nigga god. Vegito, what? Real nigga god. Dogman, just because, real nigga god. Winry, I give her a great. Well, nah, she hit when stuff be broken. They call Winry for some odd reason. But y'all, just my list. I mean, I don't know if Bardock need to be GOAT. People gonna be mad at me for that. They be like, how you gonna put Bardock over Itachi? Let me stop. Itachi's a GOAT. Vegeta's a GOAT. That's about right. I think that's about right. Dio, I don't know if I want to keep him. Yeah. Great. I put Akainu as a demigod because his character's sick. But y'all, if you like this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment below what you can get a video. Show you both some love, and you know, I like doing these because I'm getting my thoughts on anime, and yeah, it's pretty cool. But I'm out. See y'all in the next one. Peace.
When I flow for the street,
who else could it be? Yo, explode. My thoughts were drunken from courts of beers. Was years back before Nasir would explore career in rap. As a music dude, I mastered this Rubik's Cube. Godzilla, fought gargantuan eyes glued to the tube.